Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into HubSpot Academy using the full 2026 setup. So first, open your browser and go to HubSpot.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click the Log In button. This will take you directly to HubSpot's secure sign-in page. Now enter the email address and password connected to your HubSpot account. If you originally created your account using Google, you can simply choose the Sign In with Google option to skip typing your password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication on your account, HubSpot will ask for a one-time security code. Open your Authenticator app, enter the code on the screen, and continue. After a successful login, you'll land on your main HubSpot dashboard. From here, click your profile picture in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select HubSpot Academy. This opens the full learning platform where HubSpot hosts all of its free training courses and certifications. Inside HubSpot Academy, you can browse courses on marketing, sales, CRM, customer support, automation, reporting, and more. You can start a new course at any time or continue one you've already begun. Your learning progress saves automatically, so you can stop and resume whenever you want without losing your place. If for any reason you can't find the Academy option inside your account, you can also go directly to academy.hubspot.com. From there, click Login and sign in using the same HubSpot credentials. This takes you straight into the Academy dashboard without needing to go through the main HubSpot homepage. And that's it. That's how to log in to HubSpot Academy using the 2026 setup. Once you're inside, you'll have access to professional training and industry-recognized certifications completely for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll